Here's an algebra question that is actually very applicable to every day when you're buying things. We're going to be looking at taxes and totals. So, what is the total and the tax if the item is $9.99 and it's being taxed at 6.7%? Most students who have never worked with a problem like this might just decide to multiply this with this. But that's actually not as accurate because this is a percent and we have to convert this into a number. So we're going to look at what does $9.99 represent. It is the subtotal. It's not really the amount that we actually pay, it's just the net price that's on the price tag because our state and other states pay different taxes. I was recently in Sweden and their taxes were 25% on all their items. So 6.7 is a nice percent. So 6.7%, we're going to convert it to a number by moving the decimal places 2 spaces, so it becomes 0.067. Okay, so it's 0.067 of $9.99. So we're going to multiply. Of means multiply. Now some of your teachers are probably not going to let you use calculators, so we're just going to calculate it out the old-fashioned way here. But make sure you ask your teacher because sometimes they do allow you to use calculators when you're not when you're taking a quiz or test. Okay, so we have 63 at 9. 569. Okay. Placement value 0, 4, 9, 9, 5. And we don't have to do the 0. We can just go ahead and add that. Okay, and we get 3, 3, 9, 6, 6. Okay. Now, some of you may have forgotten where the decimal goes, so we're going to look at this. It was moved over 2 spaces here, so I write a little 2 here and 3 spaces here. So a total of 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Since this is in terms of money, we kind of have to round it up because we don't have half a pennies or so forth. So this is going to be 67 cents. This is going to be approximately 67 cents. And we have to add that to our subtotal. $9.99 plus 67. And again, if you have calculators, if your teacher lets you use a calculator, it's great, but if not, you just have to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so this is our total, and this is our tax. Since the question is asking what is our tax and total, this is our tax and this is our total. Okay, so you just take the subtotal, multiply it to the tax, not the percentage of the tax. You have to convert it. This is one step that many students forget. Go ahead and just convert it and then just multiply and review your rules on how to multiply with decimals. Make sure you count the right spaces. And then you have to add the tax back to the subtotal to get the total.